Attorney Dannielle Simms, what do parents in Texas need to know about making education decisions over children?
Well, often what happens is you will have a party come in and say, I want exclusive educational decision making power. Most of the times, what they mean is, I want to be able to say where the child goes to school. There's a difference between making educational decisions for the child and enrollment decisions. Most parties you will see have children that are in public school, for example. So if you have someone that's designating the child's primary residence, that's generally that ISD that person is in, that school district is generally where the kid will go. However, I do like to distinguish between enrollment and educational decisions. For example, I had a case where mom had the exclusive right to designate primary residence, but she kept bouncing the kid around from school to school. So we carved out that enrollment had to be subject to agreement of the other parent, and that before any withdrawals, the other parent had to agree. And that kept the child very consistent and made sure that mom was not able to bounce the child around. Now, when it comes down to educational decisions, it's not just about enrollment. You're looking at things like, will this child skip a grade? Will this child take a sex education class? Will this child get into the special education program that they have? Will this child be gifted and talented? Those types of things, if you can't make those decisions together, you might end up in a situation where one parent has the exclusive right to make that decision, or you might end up in a situation where you guys have to come to an agreement. And if you don't, then you will follow the original recommendation of the educator or the counselor.